Yo, Nation, did you get the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max or just iPhone 15 period, and you're looking for a nice little combo charger? Then I think you want to stay tuned to check out this new 3-in-1 charger from who is this, from RORRY. It also happens to have a little MagSafe power bank with it. All right. So if you're interested in something like that, you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. Yo, Skippy, roll that video, man. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for loosescrewzzandviews, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so we notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a nice little 3-in-1 combo charger with a portable power bank on it, with a MagSafe power bank on it for your iPhone 15. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. All right. And then also, we gotta give all thanks and praise to the Heavenly Father above for all He does for us, for all the grace and mercy that He's shown us over the years. All right. We got to get that out of the way. And if you're offended, I'm sorry. You know, hey, I just would like to let everybody know how good God has been to me. All right, we ain't got that out of the way. Ooh, let's go ahead and get started with this product right here. Ooh, and before we get started, let me go ahead and get it all out of the way. It's the get all the specs. Boy, I'm tongue tied today. Well, because we've been going through so many doggone videos today. Whew, man, I'm just rolling, trying to get them out there, because they've been stacked up, as you seen in the other video I made a few days ago. But anyway. Let me get the specs out there for the spec junkies real quick, because you know those spec junkies, they be hungry. This is the RORRY 3-in-1 wireless charging station, foldable fast charging stand, 5,000 mile MagSafe portable power bank for iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series, Apple Watch, and AirPods, and with a 20-watt PD adapter. Okay, I see you. All right. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna let you look at the box real quick. Let's go ahead and see, so you can see the box. All right, here's the box. Show you 3-in-1 folded magnetic. Well, I will bring it down so you can see it. 3-in-1 folded magnetic wireless charger station. You can see that little MagSafe power bank right there. 5,000 mile, baby. 5,000 mile. And it's showing you right there. Charge up your buds, your AirPods, your watch, your Apple Watch, your iWatch Ultra, Apple Watch Ultra. Boy, I don't know what I'm thinking about, the Ultra 2, but anyway, and your iPhone 15 Pro Max, baby. You know, so let me go ahead and let's turn that over real quick. All right, and let's see the back of the box. So you can pause this and read it for yourself. It's showing you, everything that it could do. It's foldable, so this is good and portable. So you don't go on a vacation, slip this in your little tech bag, you're good to go. Slip it in your purse for the ladies, you're good to go. All right. Open this bad boy up. All right, I'm tearing up the box. All right, boy, it's just a bunch of goodies in here. All right, we're gonna toss that box aside. Don't need a box. And this is like some little extra MagSafe something right here. Yeah, magnet or something. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, because I'm new to this iPhone thing. So got your instruction booklet. So I'm gonna hold on to that right there. And let's see what we got here. We got a charging brick. That's what I'm talking about. Charging brick right here. USB-C charging slot on there. USB-C slot right there. So for your charging brick. So that's a good look. So I guess, letting you know this is going to be the fast charger. And here is your charging cable. USB-C to USB-C. Too cool. You see that right there? All right. We're going to put that to the side. And let's see here. Get to the main event. Okay, everything's coming apart right here. All right, here's the cradle itself. Let's see here. You can see here, this is a slot where you will put your MagSafe battery in here. All right, and then back, a little venting for heating. Got some rubber stoppers right here, to keep the device cool. And what is this, some information on here? So you can pause this and read it for yourself. I know you might not be able to see it, but just if you can, pause this and read it for yourself. All right. Let's see here. How does this thing work? Oh, here's an LED right here letting you know the thing is working. But we don't read the directions right now, so we're just go ahead and all right, fold it out like so. All right. Oh, this is where you will put your buds right here. All right. And let's see here. let's look at the power bank itself. All right, let's see what we're working with. MagSafe. So let me go ahead and test the MagSafe function out. All right, yep, MagSafe, all right. All right, that's pretty cool, pretty cool. So let's put that down real quick. All right, okay, this is where you would put your watch right here. You go ahead and pull it out. All right, you know, that's where you set your watch right there, you know. And what is this over here on the side? What is this? All right, okay. So you can have it like a stand, all right. So you can put it down and have it like a stand. I'm gonna have to check and see what all this stuff is. All right, I don't want to break it. All right. Then you have some LEDs right there, let you know how much juice it has. Let's see here. It has any juice? Yep. Well, we're gonna have to charge it up. I want to charge it up fully before we, start doing anything with it. But let me slide it in here and see how it looks. All right. Okay, that's too cool. Let me change the angles where you can see it. All right, you see that? Put it on there. All right, like so, and then you go ahead and put your iPhone on here. Let me see if I can get it to work. Bam. All right, or you can put it in you can put it in push mode so you can watch some YouTube videos, like some loose screws and views, baby. You know, while you just killing time. You know what I'm saying? That's too cool. That's too cool. I like that. I like that. But also, oh man, where are the brand new AirPods? Oh man. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna find a power source, so I want to test out everything, see if it can charge everything at the same time without any issues. So what I'm gonna do is find a power source so I can go ahead and plug this bad boy up and go get my AirPods. They usually be in my pocket, but I don't know what it is today because I'm just running so fast trying to get so many videos done because we were behind and everything. So yeah, let me go find a power source and everything. We'll come back and we go ahead and test this bad boy out. All right, hold tight. All right, View Nation, we back. I got everything all plugged up. We got me a power source, got everything plugged up, and we got our iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium with the 1 terabyte right here, and we got the AirPods Pro with the USB-C charging slot on there, and we got the Apple Watch Ultra 2 ready to go to test this out. So before we test it out, let me go back over some of the specs for the spec junkies out there. It's the RORRY MagSafe charger, 5,000 mAh detachable battery, and it's foldable, 3-in-1, and it's compatible with the iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series, and the Apple Watch and AirPods. All right, get out of the way for the spec junkies. All right, so let me close this up, put it on, turn it around, bam. We charging. All right. So what I'm going to do is pull this. Well, before I pull it out, let's go ahead and put the AirPods on here. Bam, that's charging. Now let's pull this out so we can put the watch on here. All right. Bam, took a minute, I had to get in the sweet spot, but it's charging. All right, so you're not only your phone, you got your AirPods and your watch charging all at the same time. Too cool. I mean, what else could you ask for? And before you answer that question, I'm gonna tell you what else you could ask for. This is not only a 3-in-1 charger, it's also, it's a portable power bank. So, that's the one thing that I liked about it, because, you get more functionality out of it. And like if you're traveling, this would be the one I would take when we're traveling, like you on the go and all that good stuff, because, you got some juice to take with you on the go. So let me take the watch off real quick, fold that back down, take these AirPods off, and let's take it out. And all right, now you got a portable battery, so you ain't got to worry about running out of juice while you're out there, you're doing your thing. And bam, too easy. Look at that, too easy. So now you got you got a portable charging bank on the go. And if I'm not mistaken, you may be able to use this this USB-C charging slot to charge up other devices, but you know, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on it. But you know, for what it's already doing, that's good enough for me, because I already have other power banks. But you know, for other things, I just for the iPhone. But this is too cool. You got a portable power bank, and when you come back and you want to charge it back up, charge the power bank back up, it's charging the power bank and your phone at the same time. Too easy. And throw your buds on there, bam. And then you're going to go ahead and flip. You want to go ahead and flip the watch part out. Flip that out, bam. Look at that. And then put your watch on there. Too easy, too easy. And everything should be charging. Look at that, look at that. All right, too easy, too easy. I mean, what else could you ask for, man? You got a charging dock, you got a charging station, and a portable power MagSafe power bank with a 5,000 mAh battery. I mean, it's this has got to be one of the best, you know, charging stations I have for the iPhone that in my arsenal. Now, I had another 3-in-1 charger that I was gonna do a review on, but I tested it out overnight before I put it on. I was gonna make a video on it, and that thing got so hot, it caused my watch to get so hot and to freeze up to basically it wouldn't turn off. It wouldn't turn off. It wouldn't charge or nothing. And here it is right here. I was going to do a video on it, but I'm like, I'm not going to put that trash on. I'm not going to do that like that, because maybe I've got a faulty one, but this is the one I got, and this is how the box came, all kind of beat up like that. So I said, well, you know what? I'm not going to do a video on that, because if it's doing that, if it's getting so hot that it's damaging my watch, I mean, I'm not going to put that on the channel, so you guys won't mess around and go grab something that's gonna mess up your stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I just took one for the team. So make sure you guys don't make a mistake and get this. I mean, it looks neat and everything. You got your 3-in-1. You can charge your buds and charge your watch and all that good stuff. But I was like, for a minute though, I thought I was gonna have to take this to the Apple store and exchange it, or get them to look at it, fix it or something. But I let the battery die and let it cool off, and then it came back on, works good as new. But I will no longer use this charger, this MaxB, whatever this charger. And maybe I just got a faulty one, I don't know. But and I'm thinking, because the box is all crunched up and it wasn't nothing really wrapped in plastic, it might have been returned, and that might have been the reason why it got returned, because it was getting too hot, making people's devices overheat and freeze up. So it is what it is. So I'm just gonna toss that to the side, and that one's going in the trash bin, because I'm not gonna take a chance and using it again and something catch fire or just damage my device. So yeah, too easy. But this one is the way to go right here. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. Where you get more detailed information on it. And if it's something I left out on the video that I'm not an expert. I'm not a tech. I'm not a spec guy. I'm not into all the specs all the time. I'm just a regular everyday person. That likes to showcase new products like this on the channel. You right? I'm just a gadget guy, not a expert. All right. Because so the spec junkies like to beat you up in the comment section. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm loving this. And my favorite part is that it's a power bank to take on the go. And it's got some strong magnets on it too, because it's not coming off. Now it might come off this way, you shake it too hard, but that's too cool, too cool. So if you're interested in something like this, I believe link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. And like always, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell friends to subscribe. It helps the channel, and you get to see cool products like this on the channel. And with it being the holiday season coming up, you might find a good tech gift for the tech lover in your life, So yeah, tell them to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and it really helps the channel. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right, let's see here. Don't The message for today is, oh yeah, I got a good one. I got a good one right here. Message for today is, if you're in a leadership position, or you're a parent or a guardian, or you just, like I say, you're in a position of authority, don't be afraid to make decisions. And what I mean by that, you're like, Mark, what do you mean by that? Sometimes, you're in leadership positions, or a parent, you're afraid of making them unpopular decisions because you're afraid that people are not going to like you or going to be upset with you. That's just part of life. They'll get over it. That's, if they get upset, especially if you're a parent, because I've heard this before. Some parents be like, well, I don't want my child mad at me. I don't want them not to like me. And so that's why I'm not going to say they can't do this or can't do that. Man, all you're doing is hurting them, and making their future life harder, because they're not able to deal with somebody telling them no. So and if you're in a leadership position, that's just part of the job. I mean, when you sign up to work for somebody, you're not going to always get your way. You're going to have decisions made that you're not going to like, but that's what you're getting paid for. So in a nutshell, what I'm saying is, don't be that person that's afraid to making the unpopular decisions, because somebody got to make them, and that's just life. All right. So that's the message for today. Don't be afraid to make decisions. All right. Even if people think you think people ain't gonna like you because of it, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. All right. All right. That's the message for today. And before we go, I want to give all thanks and praise to God the Father Almighty above. All right, because He made all this possible. All right. All right, so that's the message for today. This is your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.